everyone! So Foodland just launched a brand new lineup of meal ideas called Foodland 5, which was created to help busy people, like myself, streamline their cooking and their eating. Foodland 5 features recipes that are simple, delicious, super quick, and only use 5 ingredients. How awesome is that? Today we'll be making a lemon pasta, which was submitted by Audrey Furukawa as part of our Foodland 5 recipe contest. I love pasta and I love lemons, so I'm super excited to give this a try. Let's get started. Okay, so I love how easy this recipe was. Only 5 ingredients, big on flavor. And you got lemon, you have basil, you have pasta, you have cheese. That's pretty much all you need in a perfect meal. Thanks so much, Audrey, for sharing the recipe with us. I really enjoyed making it. For more information on Foodland 5, visit foodland.com/f5. See you next time, and cheers!